Hi friends, in part 1 and 2 you have seen how to cut a blouse. Now in part 3 you will see how to stitch it. First you have to attach main fabric with lining as you see this same way you attach all the parts of your blouse. When you attach the parts, you keep 1/4 inch margin and attach it properly. If at any corner or side you see the extra fabric, remove that. Now you have to take that portion to part 3, which is called Katori. In Katori you take the big dart of 2.5 inch length. It gives the best look. Your chest part is increased because of that. It gives the volume to your chest part. Check it with part 1 and attach it. It's perfectly done. In between you check the length so that it will not increase. Exact it fit in part 1 and part 2. You can see this. We have attached yoke lining with main fabric. Now we will attach the body. Same way you attach it in other part also. Now fold this properly inside the yoke and stitch it. Main fabric with lining with 1/4 inch margin. Do it properly. Same way, do it next part also. As you know, front part is divided into two parts, right and left side. Now inside part you remove it from open place. You can see the back side properly done, and front also. Katori and dart is properly stitched with overlock. We have given the overlock so that threads will not remove, as it is silky fabric. Your front is ready. All three parts is joined. Now we will continue to next part. Now with lining you have to make one stripe to attach to blouse for hook placement. This is called hook patti. It will go inside, that's why we have taken only lining. Keep it little bit extra to fold it. Now it attached. In left side we have to attach eye patti with main fabric. This you have to keep extra because you have to place it for eye. This one is extra. Fold your neck wrong side in and reverse it, and for neckline again you stitch at the edge of neck so that it will look finished. Now continue the stitching and attach full part of that. As per sketch, we will attach this bead lace in net as it's shown in the sketch to neckline and the curve, and that golden lace half we will put in left side neck. Now we will attach this. Now we are attaching the lace to the neckline and keyhole. To attach the lace, you can change the foot. It's half foot, which is called right leg. Now attach the bead lace to the neckline. Give support to your net so that it will not increase. With finger you push backside properly. Now fold it. So fold it inside and stitch it over it. And your net patch is ready with lace. You have to place it on blouse back. Now you see lace is attached as per the sketch. Now you have to patch this net over the back side of the blouse. Now we have taken this 2 dot in back and attached this net to the back part. So your back part is ready with keyhole. Now this is 1 inch hemming stripe to attach the blouse. From front side you attach it and reverse it inside. Now reverse it. To easily reverse inside the fabric, you have to stitch at the edge of border so that it will easily move inside. Now attach this. Attach the stripe at neckline. Take the blouse piping with fold. It's finished nicely from both the side. Same way you do the blouse piping to next part. We have cut net 1.5 inch for frill of sleeve. Make it frill ready so that we can attach directly to the sleeve. Now we attach this sleeve with frill. Now frill is attached, and you keep this right side inside and cover it from wrong side and stitch from all four sides so that it will look nice and clean. Now you can see your sleeve is ready with frill. From both the side it looks nice and clean. Now attach your sleeve to your blouse body. Attach your shoulder of front and back. Now join your sleeve to the body of blouse. After sleeve attached, as per the measurement, attach the sides. Same way do it on next side also. Both the side you attached it as per the measurement and finished it. Now you can see the final blouse pattern is ready. If you like this, share it with your friends and family members who are interested in sewing and learning more stitching patterns, and tell them to subscribe it. Check your front area also, how nicely it is fitted on mannequin. This is Katori blouse with elbow sleeve, frill and back designer pattern. Thank you very much. Our bag is ready with beautiful neckline. Like it, subscribe it and share it with your friend, and wait for our next video.